Hi, today's book is called Baking Day. It's from the Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood series. There will be 4 animal stickers in this book, so be sure to watch for them. Hi neighbor, we are helping Baker Aker today, Daniel Tiger said. We're going to bake cookies, said Prince Wednesday. They both wanted to make cookies shaped like trolley. Baker Aker had a recipe. First, we need 1 stick of butter, he said. Daniel added the butter. Prince Wednesday started to dance as he added the sugar. Oh no! He bumped into the table and spilled the milk. Baker Aker sang, "It's okay to make mistakes, try to fix them, and learn from them too." Prince Wednesday cleaned up while Daniel got more milk. "I fixed my mistake and learned to be more careful," Prince Wednesday said. He stood still and added the milk without spilling it. Next, Baker Aker added an egg. Then Daniel added flour. "Now we mix," said Baker Aker. Soon they had dough. They rolled it out. Baker Aker gave them cookie cutters shaped like trolleys. They made the cookies and placed them on a baking sheet. Then Daniel dropped a cookie. "How do I fix it?" he asked. "You can mix it back in with your dough to make a new cookie," Baker Aker said. Daniel fixed his mistake and learned a baking secret. Baker Aker put the cookies in the oven. After they were baked, the cookies had to cool. When Baker Aker moved the cookies off the tray, the trolley wheels broke. To fix the mistake, he used round candies to make new wheels. Soon the cookies looked like trolley. "Sometimes mistakes can be a good thing," Daniel said. Ugga mugga. I hope you enjoyed today's book, and did you find all 4 stickers? If not, you might want to go back through it because there are definitely 4 there. Have a good day.